conference jam.
Face you show, not the height you stand or the shine you hold. The Lord looketh on the heart, deep where truth starts. Give him your whole heart, that's the part he wants. The Lord looketh on the heart, not the face you show, not the height you stand or the shine you hold. The Lord looketh on the heart, deep where truth starts. Give him your whole heart.
Yeah, Samuel stepped in, saw the oldest son, tall in the frame like, yeah, that's the one. Armor shining, looking king ready, but God said, nah, looks don't make you ready. Man sees muscles, man sees rank. God sees faith when the world sees blank. David in the field with a shepherd sling. Heart fixed on God, that's a powerful thing. Too small for the throne, too plain for the crown. But heaven knew his name when no one was around. Goliath fell when the stone took flight. Not by strength for arm, but by faith in the fight.
Not the face you show, not the height you stand or the shine you hold. The Lord looketh on the heart, deep where truth starts. Give him your whole heart.
Yeah, yeah.
Lip service loud, but the heart stayed far. Talking real holy, but forgot who you are. Kept the law clean, hands washed tight. But pride in the chest don't sit right. He said you draw near with the words you say, but your heart ain't here, it's drifted away. It ain't just actions, it's the reason you move. Why you serve, why you pray, what you choose. Oh.
Mechanical faith don't carry much weight.
Oh.
He reads desire when he checks your plate.
Oh.
Not what you do, but the love inside. That's the test when the Lord decides.
The Lord looketh on the heart, not the face you show, not the height you stand or the shine that you shine. The Lord looketh on the heart, deep where truth starts. Give him your whole heart, that's the part he wants.
Where your treasure at, where you spend your time, what you chase when you grind, what's on your mind. When the noise fades out and the lights turn low, who you really serve, yeah, your heart gon' show. Scriptures close or you searching deep. Do you pray just quick or you praying weak? Words cut down or they build folks up. Out the mouth flows what fills the cup. If the symptoms show, don't panic or freeze. The healer already wrote the prescription with ease. New heart promise, mercy on tap. Turn back around, he restores like that.
The Lord looketh on the heart, not the face you show, not the height you stand or the shine you hold. The Lord looketh on the heart, deep where truth starts. Give him your whole heart, that's the part he wants.
Broken heart offered, contrite and real. That's the sacrifice heaven always seals. Weak things rise when you give them room. Small seeds grow when the heart stays tuned. Align your will, don't fight his hand. Love him back, do what he plans. Serve with intent, not clout or name. That's how the soul starts changing shape. He knows your thoughts, your silent cries, the weight you carry behind your eyes. Turn your whole heart, don't hold apart. That's where peace starts, that's where you start.
Give him the part you try to guard, the hidden fears, the battle scars. He won't break you, he'll make you whole when you place your heart under his control. The Lord looketh on the heart, not the hate, not the hate you stand or the shame. The Lord looketh on the heart, deep where truth starts. Give him your whole heart, that's the part one. That's the part he wants.